Okay, this is one that's sewn together completely. Same inside of one and a 14-inch square in the middle. That's interesting. Huh. The green, you can see the water patterns. Jonathan, look, it looks like a snake. The last one, it did get the floor wet at 60 ounces. A bit. Wasn't terrible, but it was wet. From off the sides when I tried to pick it up. Okay. Alright. Well, it's leaking out, so it can't hold 60 ounces, but now I know.